Hi, everybody. My name is Patty. I'm the Leather Lady LLC, and I'm here to talk about a strap cutter today. Simple tool, but almost a must have if you're going to do leather work. It is a very versatile tool when you need it to be. It can do all different widths of leather. Oh, Lordy, what a day. But definitely it is a tool that you would want to put in your little arsenal for leather craft. It is something that I have used, gosh, since the late 70s when I started doing leather work. So this is a very basic one. There's some fancy ones. Don't really need to spend all your extra money doing that. This is just a basic wood one. This one here is from the Leatherworks Products Company. They have a patent on this specific one. You can find them either on my website or you can find them at Tandy Leather to purchase them. There's only two parts you probably will purchase in the future is the blades for those, and then of course the strap cutter itself. So let's get together, or let's show you how this all works. I am right-handed, so I'm going to show you basically what's going to happen when you get it, because it may be a little confusing. Okay, and I just switched the blades out on this, which I'm going to show you how to do as well, but I put it up backwards, but it's fine. It doesn't matter. This part doesn't matter. All right, so I'm gonna say this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna have these. You're gonna have it's gonna have a little piece to hold everything in. This is gonna have a screw here. This is a tension screw for your how thick your leather is going to be. Okay, so if you have a really thick leather that's gonna fit through here, that you're gonna cut, so very thick, or you can go very thin. I've got a new blade in there, so it's harder to move, but you can go very thin. Why do you want to adjust it? Because if you don't adjust it, then what's going to happen is your leather could go all over the place, okay? So you definitely want to do that. I adjust it just by opening it up with a screwdriver because I've got a new blade in there, so it's tight, and how wide I want it. So if I'm doing a thicker leather, and then I push it together if I have a thinner leather, and then I screw it down to where I'm at. Okay, so you want to screw, this is just your tension screw. All right, so then you have this other piece. Okay, and this also has inches or centimeters, whichever you work in the metric, whichever way that you work, definitely do that. So it's going to have that. I'm right-handed. I want this to face me so I can read it, right? So when I put this together, usually those two would be face up. Okay, this screw here holds this piece in place, and this little piece here holds this firm in place. Okay, so let me show you how to put that back together. Say you put it together and it fell apart, right? And plus you're going to have to change your what do you call those? Edges. No, blade. I can't think today. Fog brain. You're going to have to change your blade. So you slide this back in here. It slides in and out. You want it to read. You want this on the top. That's just the way it goes. But then you want it to be able to read it. So if you're left-handed, you can flip it around and do it left-handed, I guess. But this is for right-handed. I don't know. I'm not left-handed, so I haven't tried it, to be honest. Okay. I'm always going to. You can also put this piece in first or second. So that is going to hold it in place. Actually, you want to put it in first. I haven't done this for so long. You can hold it up. Now, also too, you want to unscrew it. That's another reason it wasn't doing it. So it doesn't matter where it's at right now. Okay, so then you just screw that back in. Okay, and then now you're ready to go. Okay, and then you're ready to cut a piece of leather. So when you're using it, you're just going to put whatever width. So right now I got a little bit over 1 inch. Okay. And then what you're going to do is put the leather inside there, push hard against this because you don't want it to do this. You don't want a thing. You want to push hard, and then you're going to pull down. And I just changed this. And then that is your tool. Hopefully this is something that you will enjoy, because it definitely has served me a good many years. I've had the same one for many years, just keep changing the blades out. And then that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to go to my website, theleatherladyllc.com, and order your strap cutter. If you don't see it on there, just go ahead and email me and I'll send you the information and to order it and pricing, and then we'll get it done. I'll send you some blades as well if you want to order those as well. All right. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed and walk in the truth.